Hey there, my friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have sketch number 66 to share with you today. We're going to be using the Countryside in DSP, and I've paired it with the Night of Navy cardstock and Basic White. I'm going to trim down my DSP nice and simple, 4 by 5 1/4, and then you have 2 pieces of scrap for another project. We're going to do some background stamping, so with the detailed dogwood stamp set and these 3 stamps I put on my block together, I used Misty Moonlight and stamped a background onto my DSP. Then I used Night of Navy and stamped the primary image onto my die-cut scalloped edge die for the focal image. So here are the parts and pieces we're going to use for the project, and you know you can get the details on the mini tutorial. You just need to use the link below to subscribe to get all the details. Okay, let's put this project together. So start by folding your card in half and giving a crease with your bone folder. Then we're going to add the DSP that we stamped the background on and add that to the front of our card with liquid adhesive. Next, we're going to add the focal image, but as you can see, this one's a little bit long for the project. So I simply folded a section back, used my bone folder to give it a good score, and then added dimensionals, and then popped it on the front of our card. From there, I'm going to add Misty Moonlight gems from the Tinsel Gems 3D pack to the center of my blooms. Now it's finished. I can add a sentiment later when I'm ready to use the card. If you're new to visiting today, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future projects. Remember, you can shop with me at stampinup.com. Just select me as your demonstrator, please. And if you want to see all the other things I've got going on, please visit my website at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. All right, everybody, until the next time, do some fun stamping.